These first pictures are from a stop in a town called Seligman, which is on historic Route 66. So they had a lot of replicas of the cars from the Disney Cars movie. The boys really thought this was a cool place. Our next stop was Hoover Dam, and this is the bridge across from Hoover Dam. And then next you'll see a video of us driving on Hoover Dam. And then after that you'll see a video of the dam. This is the video of the dam down there below. And this is Lake Mead above the dam.